Happy New Year 2026. I've been slacking off at the end of the year, last year, but I'm gonna read again. Yes. Why Japan's temple bells ring 108 times for New Year's. On December 31st, Buddhist temples in Japan ring their bells 107 times just before midnight and then one more time just after midnight. This is the Joya no Kane ceremony, one of Japan's most loved New Year's Eve traditions. New Year's or Oshogatsu is a very important holiday in Japan, with people using it as a time to connect with family and get ready for a fresh start in the coming year. Many of Japan's New Year's traditions come from the Shinto and Buddhist religions. For example, many people put up decorations to welcome Toshigami-sama, the Shinto New Year's deity, who is said to bring good luck. In the case of Joya no Kane, the 108 bells rings represent the 108 bonno, or earthly desires and weaknesses that, according to Buddhist beliefs, cause human suffering. I'm losing it. See, this is why I should read every day. These include greed and anger. Each time a temple bell is rung on New Year's Eve, people can let go of one of their bonno, leaving it in a previous year so they can start the new one with a clear mind. The bell ringing usually begins around 11 p.m. with popular temples welcoming visitors to watch and even sometimes take part in the ceremony. For example, if you arrive early enough at the Saisho-in Temple in Hirosaki City, Aomori Prefecture, you could be one of 108 people invited to ring the bell. At Kyoto's Chion-in Temple, however, visitors will have to be happy just to watch. With a bell weighing 70 metric tons, it takes 17 monks working together to ring it just once. Sensoji Temple in Tokyo does things a little differently. It rings its bell once at midnight to celebrate the new year, then 3 more times to get everyone's attention before completing the 108 rings. The bell is rung by 108 members of the local believers group, including local actors, artists, and comedians. Discussion. What are thoughts on Japan's Joya no Kane ceremony? Have you ever watched or taken part in one? I always watch it at the TV. What are your favorite New Year's traditions? Visiting temples, shrine. Kyoto's shrine is very nice, yes. Do you usually decorate your home during the New Year period? Somewhat, yes. Do you prefer a quiet New Year or a big celebration? Quiet ones. Do you have any personal New Year rituals? I like to go to Inari, Fushimi Inari Shrine and change my, the arrow. Yeah, we have those like arrows to protect ourselves from the evils, yes. Further discussion, have you had any memorable New Year celebrations? I was in New York when I was a student of Ohio State, and all the fireworks with all the lights was very nice. How do you usually spend the first day of the new year? Staying at my mom's house, my parents' house, do things with kids, eat osechi and drink. Yes, very quiet. How do you, what would you say were the highlights of 2025 for you? Went to New York to dance with my mentor dancer, yes, on the stage together. That was tremendously happy experience. Have you set any goals or made any plans for 2026? Yes, I did. But it's going to be long, so I'm not going to tell. But I have my goal. What are you looking forward to in 2026? Success and health. Yes. And tomorrow I'm going to wear kimono with my kids.